In today's video, let me show you how to get a local number inside of Wise. If you're trying to receive payments from abroad and you want an account number so that you can provide other people, in this video, let me show you the process. Now, in order for you to get a local number, you need to create a currency account in which you're trying to get the amount. So, for example, if you swipe left and tap on this plus icon, you can choose from different currencies by tapping on add a currency and choose from all of these currencies that are available. If you're going to receive payments in British pound, you can just tap open the British pound option, and right here where it says get account details, you're going to get your account number. Now, before getting your account number, you need a few criteria such as depositing some amount into your Wise account, also verifying your identity. To complete both of these steps, your account number along with other details will also be visible inside of this section. Now, if you head back, the new currency account that you just created will be visible in this section. So if you again want to get the further details, you can tap open the GBP option and then tap on the get account details to find your local account number. So that's all there is to get a local account number inside of Wise. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.